Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Cane's honey mustard. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of honey, and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Also, have 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a small pinch of cayenne pepper ready. These simple items are the foundation for this delicious sauce. Now, let's mix it up. In a medium bowl, combine the mayonnaise, honey, both mustards, and Worcestershire sauce. Whisk these ingredients together until they are fully incorporated and smooth. Next, add the garlic powder and cayenne pepper, mixing again until everything is perfectly blended. This step is crucial for achieving that signature creamy consistency. For the best flavor, cover your bowl and refrigerate the honey mustard for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows all the delicious ingredients to meld together, creating a richer, more complex taste. When you're ready to serve, give it a quick stir. You can store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 7 days. Your homemade Cane's honey mustard is now ready to enjoy. This versatile sauce is absolutely perfect with crispy chicken tenders, golden fries, or as a zesty spread on your favorite sandwich. It's also fantastic as a dipping sauce for pretzels, fresh vegetables, or even on a burger. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.